Thanks, Wayne. 1372.
Yeah, so I'm going to take this over here. You're going to plonk that there when you're
1372.
I better take this out. Proud. Sorry.
I left a mill on it. Sucks when you do it too short.
What? Better to make it short. Trim?
No. Yeah. Yeah, a bit too tight.
I'd start it. Might need pre-fill in this.
Just to bind it.
Yeah. I've got to take this to try
Yeah,
and
get that bit too.
reduce the proud and the loose.
Yeah.
So even if I've got a pre-fill, better off to reduce the proud and the loose. It is what it is. I can't change that.
That's what's going on in the ute today. No swearing, Swaggy. You're up, bro. He called me bro. Oh, man, did I not cut that? Did I not cut it? Oh, damn. Oh.
My middle name is
Eddie. Why do they call him Eddie? Because they're going to edit more videos. He's going to be picture perfect. Beg your pardon? Yeah, that's done. I did that when you were having lunch. Yeah, it's alright. We've got enough to do down here, man.
Won't take anything to load these up.
Is that straight? Have I got a bow in that? Check that down the end. Huge. That's shit. Pull it off. Bad.
And don't take the boat to the point where it'll run through it or run off. That's little Chief. Get rid of that optical illusion.
I think it's good.
Bit of overspray optical illusion.
Fix the, line up those tongues again. line them up. Like make the flaps, put the flaps even as well, just so for my eyes. They stand out of the way.
Closer or wide?
Yeah, just make them even. Yeah, that's it. Get out of the way. No. Yeah, it's better. I mean, fix that flap up there. Put your finger in it.
Don't put your finger in there.
Like this.
Put my finger in any flap where I don't know where it's going to be.
Why not?
That's not bad. That's not hard.
Yeah, no, it's good now. It wasn't before how I had it. That's good.
What's hard?
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Any chalk on it? That's the one more. Okay, you can take someone else.
Nah, hey, oi. Yola. Chala. Hula.
Yeah, what happens is the paper, it'll suck back off, it'll drop, it'll pull it, like, you know what I mean.
Do they know what you mean? My account's gonna get shut down.
And that's the only time that we don't glaze, is that you do that. If you do that, it's sort of like, like a hole. Even when you got a hole like this, you can put a paper tape over it. Get your piece of paper tape and load your mud on the back side of the tape. Stick them to the wall, no mud on the face side of the tape. And they'll naturally sink and set back in there. As soon as you put mud on the face, it'll want to draw it out.
Alright,
The shrinkage and
I'll try that.
just little tips.
What do we got in this kit? Huh? Wayne? Shout out to Wayne who lost his snips. No, Marcus. Marcus.
$2. Yeah, I'll load, start with 6, 8, and finish with a 10. So finish with a 10.
Yep.
With the 10, we'll drag it out wider to try to blend it in because we haven't sculpted it out or created a recess or anything, so we'll need the width to.
Blend it off. Yep. Alright, let's do some mud up.
But I'm happy with it's the best
Yeah.
possible outcome.
Doesn't look the best. Doesn't look the best, but functionality first is what you always say, huh?
Yeah, it'll work. It'll work. We just gotta find that corner. That corner should bind.
You want me, Paul? You good? Yeah, you can say perforation on some. Sometimes these get in the way. Yeah, man. Yeah.